What's going on, guys? You know why we're here. Today I'm opening my summer Fab Fit Fun box. It came in the mail yesterday and I'm so excited to open it. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, Fab Fit Fun is a subscription box in which you receive this beautiful box every so often, and they come in seasons. So this is actually my third box. My mom purchased Fab Fit Fun for my birthday, so she is actually the one picking out all of the items that come inside boxes. It is a total surprise to me. So let's just actually get right into it. Oh wow, this is actually huge. For starters, we have Recoil. That sounds great. Sounds like a hair curling product, which it is, a curl activator, which is really nice because I'm always looking for new scrunching gels, so this is perfect and it's full size. I love that. Okay, what do we have next? Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these. Okay, so it is a clip-on ring light. That's awesome, by Soar. I have my own personal phone ring light now. That's awesome. Next up, we're gonna go with this one. We have facial serum, vitamin C. Perfect, okay. Very nice size. To be honest, I got one of these last month and I haven't used it yet or opened it, but up next, yay, save the turtles, silicone straw. Always need more of these. Oh, and I love the color. Now we have here Lashes MD, probably mascara if I had to say. Eyelash eyebrow conditioner. I'll put it on my lashes. You know, you could always use a nice little lash and brow condition. That's pretty cool. Something I would never have bought, so dope. We're gonna do this one. This one is screaming for me to open it, really. I knew it. Stemless wine glass thermos thing. It matches my straw. Wonder if they did that on purpose. I bet they did. But this one had my eyes on it, so we're gonna get right into this one. Nice! Okay, this is nice. Some OB resistant bands, that's pretty cool. Another thing that I wouldn't have bought, but I've been thinking about them, you know, thought about them a couple times. Now I have them. Okay, and then it looks like we're gonna full send to the bottom of the basket. It is a giant tote bag. This is very nice. So, you know, I could throw a lot of stuff in here. It's red and pink. Very cute. Oh, some fun stickers. Love that. Summer 2021. Hot girl summer. Let's get it. To sum everything up, we got this large tote. We got hair curling gel. It doesn't say gel. Curl activator. Same thing. We got 2 resistance bands. We got a silicone straw and a wine tumbler. We got a ring light for our phone. Can't wait to test that out. Some eyelash eyebrow conditioner and face serum, vitamin C. I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. What will be in my next Fab Fit Fun box? I'm excited to find out. Hope you are too. See you next time.